ಅನುಭವಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಂಶ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಸಂಘ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ.
420 milord.
ಪ್ಯೂರ್ 420. ಕುಲ್ತಾಪ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಸರ್ಜರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ.
Lord, the complaint of 21.
So what?
No, Lord, the
Yes, surgery
treatment according to him.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. In fact, on the last occasion, your lordship had asked the prosecution to take particulars about the treatment.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
You call yourself a doctor?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, you call yourself a doctor.
I am, my lord.
Who
That's the
can call
conventional-
oneself a doctor?
Lord, I have
ಅಲ್ಲ,
produced
who
the
can
certificate.
call?
No,
In
I-
medical parlance, who can call?
It's like-
MBBS.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ, but ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ under section 4 of this TPME Act.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
My lord, I have been given the certificate. On the last occasions, my lord, I had
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
produced the
ನೋಡಿದೆ.
documents.
ಅನುಭವಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಂಶ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯರ
ವೈದ್ಯ
ಸಂಘ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
They have permitted under section 4, my lord, the last document, my lord, I had produced. But I cannot speak something, my lord, which is beyond the record.
No, correct. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಯು,
Please.
ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ನಾಟಿ RMP ಮತ್ತು PMP.
PMP ಏನಂತ?
RMP ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್, PMP ಅಂಡ್ ಪೈಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್.
ತಾವು last time ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
your lordship has dealt.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್.
Your lordship in dealt with the issues in GM roster, my lord, where section
ಹೌದಾ?
4 of KPM. These people cannot be directed to.
ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್,
Lord, writ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 20.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಓಕೆ, ವಿಷನ್ ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಜರಿ.
Lord, surgery is not. In fact, this person is not known. That is why your lordship directed the prosecution, Lord, to produce some document to show that I am treated.
ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there would be some symptoms, my lord.
ನೋ, ಇದು ಸಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇದೇ ತರ. ಇವರೇ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
Please.
5 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ತರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 5 years ಇಂದ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆ ತರ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Surgery. ಇದಲ್ಲೇ 5 ವರ್ಷ bleeding ನಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ. My lord, and my lord, what is the offense of cheating, my lord?
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
You have lured someone for fistula when you don't have qualification.
my lord, 420, my lord,
Pure 420.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಯಾವ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು, ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Because my lord, there is the certificate.
That conventional delivery of property will not apply here, sir. I will write what cheating means here. Hoodwinking so many people without qualification and saying that I have Paramparika Vaidya Sanghadinda qualification. Which is that Sangha? Why these Sanghas are existing?
No,
Investigation.
my lord, the writ petition filed, a writ appeal filed, my lord, on the basis of that, my lord, it was done, my lord. That is why, my lord, I produced the
ಆಯ್ತು,
all
ಆಯ್ತು,
documents.
ಎರಡು ಇದೆ
And there is an order passed by the government under section 4, my lord.
ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಸಂಘ. ನೀವು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
Surgery.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
See, basically, my lord, it is
ಏನ್
an
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
external treatment, my lord.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Lord, ಅದು ಈಗ ಪಾರಂಪರಿ, my lord, there are different ways of treatment, my lord, which I was told, my lord. In fact, my lord, when I was suffering from one such problem,
You had gone to this
my
man.
lord, I was suggested by people, go to such people. Lord, somehow, my lord, perhaps, my lord,
You are safe.
perhaps,
You
my lord, I wanted
did
to go in.
not go, you are safe.
But I was told that there are various types of treatment, my lord, which is more successful than the allopathic treatment.
ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Piles, fistula, and
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಸೀನ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್.
Piles clinic. I think it is there throughout Bangalore, Sumar.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್
Yes, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Your hospital ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್.
ನೀವು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Surgery, my lord.
ಏನೇನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕುಲ್ತಾಪ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನೋಡಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಜರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
I have no.
ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಕಂಪನಿ ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹೆಸರು ಅದು ಮಿರಾಕಲ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, heard reserved.
Grateful.
We'll conduct some fistula surgery. Yes. Hmm.
9.
Pure recovery.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ?
He's not returned the money back to them.
ಲೀಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
I have my lord paid the purchaser to 20
ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ when I purchased, I sold the property, my lord, I have given him 3 units, 20 lakhs each, I have paid him.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
By money transfer.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್?
To pay to the existing tenants.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್.
No, that my lord.
It's a recovery
Instead of paying it
proceeding.
to him, he could have paid to the tenants.
ನೀವ್
only.
ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಇನ್ನ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. Now he, because securitization proceedings have been initiated, now he wants.
Oh, you sold it to the tenants only.
No, my lord, I
Then-
sold it to a
No,
third
sir.
party. It is a lease, my lord, where it is a bhogya, a colloquial lease,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
where the deposit has to be, that deposit I have given to the new purchaser from me,
Okay, nee.
separately.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ಟೆನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, they did not want to vacate, so I have.
That's all right. They did not want to vacate. Vacate ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾರ್ತಾನೆ.
They
No, but
2
they
years
should-
they have
I'll-
stayed there.
where any communication to the effect that ಇದು ಬೋಗಿದ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ.
subsequent to the sale, after the sale deed.
You tell me one communication from you,
No, my lord, there has unfortunately.
No,
there
sir.
have been no. It's-
but it's pure recovery
No,
process.
Allah, but ultimately, my lord, that the tenants have been cheated.
Tenants.
They have
been-
deposited the money
have been
and-
cheated 20 lakhs, he will undertake to pay it to the tenants, that's all.
Monday, my lord, Tuesday.
How do you pay now?
Lord, in fact, they have taken checks now through other means. Now they have obtained checks from me and all that has happened. But my lord, it is a pure recovery.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Subject to my lord, me recovering from the.
ಎಲ್ಲ this should be before the civil court
No,
recovery. Criminal
subject to, Allah, subject to recovering from the the buyer cannot be, you can't put a burden on the tenant.
Why should the tenant suffer? We'll answer it on merits, but you have to come out with some solution.
My lord, he has obtained a bail. I have not got bail. The original, now the purchaser has, he's got an anticipatory bail.
Of course, purchaser.
My bail application has been rejected.
It is his obligation to either
I have
return the
paid,
money
my lord, I have
or inform them in
evidence to
writing.
show.
Sir, evidence to show ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ 20 lakhs ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Purchaser has got a bail now, he is also accused.
Yes, he's also
Is
accused.
he a party here?
He's not a party.
You make him a party here, let the purchaser come and undertake that 20 lakhs was received for that, I will grant you.
But they are all hand in glove.
ಮತ್ತೆ
My lord, he has obtained a loan and securitization proceedings have been initiated and he doesn't this thing. Because of those proceedings, the complaint has been filed.
bail reject ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Let me secure the papers, my lord.
Yes.
First
So
of all.
bail on the wrong premise, my lord, my lords may see, my lord, para 9 of.
Irli, anyway, you are absconding now, so remain in hiding. Yes. We'll take it on Tuesday. Tuesday, fresh matters. Yes. Learned additional
But
SPP is
Monday,
directed to accept
Monday.
notice.
Tuesday, I'm not.
Monday. Second Saturday, instruction sigalla ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Tuesday, I'm not. I'm in Delhi, my lord, on Tuesday.
Tuesday you're in Delhi, Monday you're in Bangalore.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday?
Thursday seems to be a holiday.
ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. Mondayನೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Great,
23rd.
23rd.
great.
8.
ಹಾ